Surcharges are a great way to include extra costs in your ticket price that are easily spiked out, and you can see the difference between the ticket price and the surcharge. You can do a surcharge on a different event, and you can do different percentages on different events depending what it is you have to charge the surcharge for. If you go into our paraselling example here, this is our orange box, which is our restrictions or important information that people have to read and acknowledge before they continue on. In this, we've added a 2% fuel surcharge, and it tells people right here there's a 2% fuel surcharge added to your reservation. So your ticket price remains the same at $75 per person. When you actually go through and add that reservation into your shopping cart, you will see that you've got your $150 for your 2 tickets, and then your $3 surcharge is on here as well. Obviously, you've got your subtotal, then any taxes and fees, and then it gives you the full total of the amount due today. We can also add in here a surcharge for gratuities. A lot of fishing charters have an automatic gratuity that has to be added in there for the captain and crew. So this one's just a 15%, but you can add this at any percentage you want. Obviously, the difference being if you select a 4-hour, you're going to be charged 15% on 250, versus if you did a longer one, you'd be charged more. Put that in your shopping cart. And then you can see, obviously, here's your 15% gratuity, $37 here.